Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE watermark on CapCut PC. So select this green screen and just zoom it in so you don't see the rest of the stuff. Just going to also freeze frame that. And then I'm going to go to text and I'm just going to type in watermark. You can type in your name of course, but this is just an example, so I'm just going to stay with that. Just the font size, and you are going to add in a shadow as well to it. You can adjust the opacity here. I'm just going to have it 200%. And then select this button, export still frame. I'm just going to call it green screen. And make sure you import the project. Just have it to in the JPEG format. And select export. And it's going to be now in your project here. You're going to then add it on top of the video that you want to add the watermark to. For instance, like this video. So select your watermark video and you're just going to adjust it a little bit. We're going to select the cutout, chroma key, select the green bit, and we're going to adjust the strength and we're going to add shadow to that. Then we're going to right click, create compound clip, and then chroma key, and we're going to select the white bit. Oh, actually we're going to go to basic. Then we're going to select the darken blend mode for the watermark. And as you can see, it creates this like transparent watermark kind of effect to it. And you can even add an animation if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!